Gut Health Explained. The link between your microbiome and your health. The gut microbiome is the collective term for the diverse population of bacteria that live in the human gut. This intricate ecology is important for many parts of human health, including immunity, mental health, digestion, and even the chance of developing chronic illnesses. In this video, we'll examine the complex connection between gut health and the gut microbiota, including current research and doable strategies for preserving a healthy gut environment. Number 5. Comprehending the gut microbiome. In what ways does the gut microbiota affect general health in addition to digestion? The gut microbiome is made up of trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, and fungus that mostly live in the intestines. The microbiome of each person is different and is influenced by a variety of variables, including genetics, nutrition, environment, and lifestyle. These bacteria are not only passive residents, they play an active role in human health in a number of ways: digestion and nutrient absorption. Some gut bacteria help us digest complex carbs, fibres, and proteins that our systems cannot break down on their own. This process helps us absorb nutrients and produce energy. Number 4. The connection between the gut and the brain. In what ways can stress affect the makeup of the gut microbiome? The gut-brain axis is a complicated communication system that goes both ways. It connects the central nervous system with the gastrointestinal tract. This complicated relationship explains why our emotions may have a direct effect on digestion and why abnormalities in the gut can affect mood, cognition, and even behaviour. Stress, for example, may disturb the gut microbiota by lowering helpful bacteria and boosting bad ones, which can contribute to inflammation, bloating, and other digestive problems. On the other hand, an unbalanced gut might have an impact on the creation of important neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine, which are necessary for regulating mood and maintaining mental health. Recent research has shown that almost 90% of serotonin, which is an important neurotransmitter that is associated with pleasure and emotional stability, is created in the stomach. In addition, gut bacteria are involved in the production and modulation of other neurotransmitters, including GABA, which helps to alleviate anxiety. Number 3. Effects on long-term illnesses. In what ways can a dysfunctional microbiome lead to chronic inflammation? Dysbiosis, which is an unbalanced gut microbiota, has been linked to a number of chronic conditions, cardiovascular diseases. According to research, some gut bacteria may affect cholesterol levels and inflammation, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. For example, higher levels of bacteria such as Acinetobacter have been associated with lower cholesterol levels, indicating that they may help protect against cardiovascular diseases. Changes in the gut microbiome can also affect insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism, which can lead to the development of type 2 diabetes. Research has shown that people with type 2 diabetes tend to have a gut microbiome that is less varied than that of healthy persons. Number 2. Elements that affect the gut microbiome. In what ways does the contemporary diet lead to an unbalanced microbiome? The makeup and function of the gut microbiome may be changed by a number of different factors. Diet eating. A lot of processed foods and not a lot of fibre will lower the variety of microbes in your gut, while eating a lot of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help your gut stay healthy. For instance, the Mediterranean diet, which is rich in fibre and healthy fats, has been found to increase the number of beneficial bacteria in the gut and enhance cognitive performance. Antibiotics. Antibiotics are important for treating bacterial infections, but they may also kill off beneficial bacteria in the gut microbiome, which can lead to dysbiosis. Chronic stress may have a detrimental effect on the gut microbiome, which can result in a reduction in the number of helpful bacteria and an increase in the number of dangerous bacteria. Exercise. Regular physical exercise has been demonstrated to build a varied and healthy gut microbiota. Exercise may enhance the synthesis of short-chain fatty acids, which are beneficial for gut health. Number 1. keeping your gut microbiome healthy. Is it possible to greatly enhance gut health by just eliminating processed foods? The following measures may be helpful in supporting and maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. 1. Eat a diet that is rich in fibre foods that are high in dietary fibre, such as fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. Function as prebiotics, which means they provide nourishment to the good bacteria in your gut. A recent research study discovered that greater levels of the gut bacteria Faecalibacterium are connected with a lower prevalence of dangerous bacteria like E. coli, and these beneficial bacteria thrive on dietary fibre. Make sure to include fermented foods, include foods such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso in your diet, since they are rich in probiotics, which may improve the health of your gut. Reduce the amount of processed foods and additives. The gut flora may be disrupted by emulsifiers and artificial sweeteners, which are often present in processed meals. Recent studies suggest that emulsifiers might trigger inflammation in the stomach and encourage the growth of dangerous bacteria, which could result in chronic disorders. Exercise on a regular basis. Participating in regular physical exercise may help to establish a healthy and diversified gut microbiota. Research has shown that exercise may boost the creation of short-chain fatty acids, which are beneficial for gut health. Reduce stress. Mindfulness, meditation, and getting enough sleep are all practices that may help lower stress levels, which in turn can help maintain a healthy gut flora. Use antibiotics wisely. To avoid unwanted alteration of the gut microbiota, only use antibiotics when required and under the advice of a healthcare practitioner. In conclusion, the gut microbiome is an essential part of our general health and impacts a number of body systems and functions. We may improve our well-being and lower the chances of developing different health problems by learning about the elements that influence the microbiome and making lifestyle adjustments to maintain its equilibrium. Don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe for more amazing content.